MudTech on location. We are going to be doing some infrared patching here in this video. This is a smaller style village road. It's not meant to take heavy truck traffic, but it currently is. You can see the weight of the vehicles are pushing down the sub base of the road so drastically, it's actually pushing the ditch line out. You can see there's a good 4 to 5 inch drop here. So we begin by positioning the infrared heating chamber over the settled area. You can see we let the truck sit here for a given amount of time, typically between 15 and 25 minutes. This is us checking the heat transfer from the infrared chamber to the asphalt to verify that the asphalt is warm. You can see here it is quite warm, and you can actually rake right through it with this garden style rake that's made for scarifying asphalt. Most of these trucks come with a big hopper on the truck itself, which you can bring new hot asphalt, HMA, hot mix asphalt, in that big hopper. It keeps it hot for a multitude of days. So when you add new hot asphalt to the older hot asphalt, there are no seams. It's like asphalt welding. Once everything's leveled out, it's time to be rolled. The roller presses the hot new asphalt into the hot old asphalt, combining the tars and oils together as one monolithic patch. There are no seams. If you were to cut the patch in half like a slice of birthday cake, you really couldn't tell where one starts and the other stops. You can see we moved the truck forward here, and we're raking another patch that will be conjoined to the first patch. You can continue this process until your desired results or the length of your repair is achieved. From start to finish, these patches took about an hour and a half. Just about anywhere you can park that big truck, you can do an infrared asphalt patch. As you can see, the patch is cooling down now for traffic use. If you think infrared asphalt patches might be the best solution for your home, business, or municipality, give us a call or go check out our website, www.mudtech.com, or continue watching our MudTech videos here on YouTube.